Do you have a problem expressing yourself? Are you very talkative, or you have a trouble expressing your thoughts, your concerns, yourself in a few words? Hi, I am Preeti, and today we are going to understand your Vishuddhi Chakra. Vishuddhi Chakra is the throat chakra, and it has everything to do with communication. It has everything to do with your self-worth, self-esteem, and your truth, speaking your truth. So this is the chakra that helps you to express to the world, plus learning how the world is communicating with you. Yeah, so communication is not just one way, it's always both the ways. Do you have problems? Whatever you want to say, whenever you try to express something, people usually don't understand it, or they misunderstand it, and it results into a conflict. When your Vishuddhi chakra is balanced, communication, speaking yourself, speaking your truth will be easy for you. Expressing yourself, how do you feel about a certain situation, it will be easy for you, and people will also understand what you are trying to say. So that's a win-win situation that shows your Vishuddhi chakra is balanced. But at the same time, if you are having problems expressing yourself or understanding what people are trying to tell you, if you are having a problem speaking your truth, you feel that when you speak your truth, when you speak your heart out, people may not accept it. You have some insecurities that people may not accept you, people may not like you. This is called lack of self-esteem and self-worth. This is called lack of self-esteem and self-worth. So yes, see, every chakra, it has a particular function. Like how we said that expressing yourself, speaking your truth, and all of this is the function of your Vishuddhi chakra. So when you are able to do that easily, then it's said that your chakra is balanced. But when you're not able to do that easily, your chakra may be imbalanced, your chakra may be blocked, it may be underactive, it may be overactive, it may be going in the opposite direction. So there are various problems that can arise when a chakra is not balanced. So what are the different problems that you may have? When the chakra is underbalanced, when you try to express yourself, when you try to share something, people may not know what you're trying to say. People may not understand what you're trying to say. People may misunderstand you, and they may actually even start having an argument with you. And ultimately, you will still feel ashamed, you will feel embarrassed because you could not express yourself. So that is in turn affecting your self-worth even more. If this chakra is overactive, you are trying to express yourself and you try to talk a lot, you try to convince people until they are convinced, you just keep on talking. That is your chakra when it is overactive. You're not listening to others, okay? You're not listening to others, you're not trying to see what they are saying, but you just keep on talking yourself. Communication, as I said, it has to be both the ways. Okay, the same thing applies when others are trying to talk to you. If there is a problem with this chakra, you will not be able to understand what they are trying to say. You may misunderstand. You may also feel attacked by what they are saying, and you may try to defend yourself, or you may try to get into a conflict with them, because you feel that they assaulted you, verbally assaulted you. But in a way, maybe they might have tried to do something else, they might have tried to say something else. Also, if you have sore throat very commonly, then also there is a problem in your Vishuddhi chakra, and it just shows that you need to have more self-worth, you need to speak your truth out more. And the more you speak your truth, the more you have self-worth, the more you understand others and try to make yourself understand. That is where your chakra is going to stay balanced. Now, how do you keep this chakra balanced? In order to keep this chakra balanced, you have to try to maintain a level of self-respect. See, if this chakra is imbalanced, it may be possible that a lot of people are trying to belittle you, a lot of people are trying to overpower you. They're trying to push you down, they are trying to slow your voice, and they are trying to master you, trying to take over you. So, see, I'm not saying that just keep on go and fighting with people, but there will be times when you will have to self-defend yourself so that your self-respect is maintained. There is very small difference between self-respect and ego. Ego is where you get so much charged up, so much hurt that you want to go and offend. But self-respect is, you know where the boundary line is. You don't attack, but you are defending. You're not allowing others to belittle you, you're not allowing others to insult you. Yes, if you have not done anything wrong, why do you have to take all those insults? Yeah, so self-respect is important. See, communication also is important. Usually, communication, try to communicate your truth out. Usually, if you have a problem with this, you will have a problem accepting your own truth. Okay, if you cannot accept your truth, you will not be able to express it. So the first step is accepting your truth. Accepting your truth may be that you don't like doing something, or you like doing something, and some of your friends, some of your family members, they have an opinion that you should not be doing this. For example, okay, you are very interested in drawing and painting, and your family, they want that you should develop interest in anatomy and physiology. That's not your interest. So when you don't put your truth forward, at times in your life you will have to communicate that you don't want that, you want that you are doing this, that is your truth. But that people may not accept because it's something that they don't believe, something that they don't buy on, so they may not accept. At that time, you don't have to fight, you don't have to offend, but try to defend your truth, because it is your truth, it is what makes you. Your interests, your talents, your skills, your heart's voice is something that is building you. You cannot go against it. Okay? So yes, so this is the video on your Vishuddhi chakra, how to master it. I hope that you understood, and let me know in the comments how did you like this video. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Do hit the like button if you have liked this video. Okay. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.